Otvoritev velike razstave o Plečniku v Bratislavi je pomemben dogodek tudi za Slovenijo. Arhitekt Plečnik ni pustil pečata samo pri nas doma, ampak širom po Evropi. Razstave smo se udeležili kar 4 predsedniki: slovaški, češki, avstrijski in jaz.
Dear Madam President Nataša, Pirc Musar, dear President
my dear friends, distinguished guests and respected organizers of the exhibition. It is a great honor for me to be here today at the opening of this exhibition, which pays tribute to one of the most prominent European architects of the 20th century, Jože Plečnik, as we call him in Slovenia.
Thank President Petra Pellegrinija for the initiative to bring together here in Bratislava the heads of state of 4 countries so closely connected through the history of Central Europe. This invitation
dedicated to the life and work of Jože Plečnik, one of the most important figures of 20th century European architecture. Plečnik's work symbolizes the cultural connections between countries in Central Europe and his